Hi guys, and welcome back to another tutorial on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a really realistic scab. First you'll need some collodion, and you're just going to pop this on the knee while it's bent, and then once you straighten it you'll get a really wrinkled effect, which you'll see in a few minutes. You're going to want to do about 5 to 10 layers of rigid collodion just to make it look really lowered and sunken into the skin, as you can see here. Next you'll need some liquid latex and then some fibres from either a cotton pad or just cotton. I'm first going to pop the liquid latex on top of the rigid collodion that we've already put down, and then I'm going to pop the cotton fibres on top of that just to give it a really gross texture to the scab. Like the rigid collodion, I'm going to do this a few times and build up in between layers and wait for it to dry before you do each layer. To colour the scab, I'm going to take some grease paint, and then I'm going to take this red and on the back of my hand kind of pat it on there just to get rid of all the pigment, and then with the slightest amount I'm going to pop it around the scab. To colour the actual scab, I'm going to take some brown grease paint and just start by popping that on top of the liquid latex that we've popped down. It should be dry by now, if not just wait a few more minutes. I'm also going to take some yellows and greens just to add that in there, because scabs aren't just brown, they have other colours in there too. Once I was happy with how the scab looked, I decided to add some more red around the outside because it didn't look irritated enough for me. So I just took the same grease paint and a bigger, fluffier brush and just started applying it. I did come to realising that I did put too much down, so I did wipe it away with a makeup wipe, which you'll see now. I'm then taking some blood and I'm just going to pop that in places where I want the scab to look like it's cracked open and oozing with blood. off, I did add some latex just over the whole thing to seal it and complete it. And that is how I created a scab. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and please like and subscribe if you want to see more from me. Thank you for watching, bye!